Tick tock, tick tock sounds the needle as it moves 1 second at a time. Have you ever stared at a clock for a minute observing the needle throughout? If you have, then you know how boring it is to watch it go around 60 times to make a minute. Imagine having to observe it go 3,600 times to make an hour, or 86,400 times in a day. All of that time is the sum of the needle moving second after another over a long period. The process itself is boring, but it is the basic little steps done repeatedly that yields something big and impressive. What if you could live your life like the needle of a clock, by taking little steps consistently daily to achieve something remarkable tomorrow? You see, we tend to overestimate what we can do in a few months and underestimate what we can do in 10 years. It is often said that Rome wasn't built in a day. We live in an era where instant gratification is the order of the day. You post a picture on social media, likes start coming. You order a meal, DoorDash to the rescue. You order on Amazon, and the next day the product is at your doorstep. You need information, Google to the rescue. Naturally, our minds tend to desire that same speed in accomplishing our life goals. Little things matter. Great people do little things with excellence. Unless you're faithful in the little things, you won't be put in charge of the big things. See how a wall is built, brick by brick. Look at your goals like building a wall. You don't have to do so much at once. Do just enough to make a difference each day. Start by placing a single brick on the floor, the next day another and another and another. And just like that, after years, you'll be amazed at the beautiful wall in front of you. Like the needle of a clock, move a step in the right direction every single day. Be consistent. Let a day not pass without you taking one step. As Dwayne Johnson said, success isn't always about greatness. It's about consistency. Consistent hard work leads to success. Greatness will come. Always move the needle.